In this Webelo review, I'll be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create your own Google-approved, ultra-fast professional SEO optimized websites for yourself or for other businesses in about 60 seconds. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Webelo, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. You're going to find all these extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus, of course, if you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the web sales page here together. It says, want to boost your profits by tapping into $2.7 billion website building industry today. Brand new Google approved technology to create ultra fast professional SEO optimized 90,000 done for you business websites in red hot niches in just 60 seconds. So essentially what the software will allow you to do is create websites for yourself or for other people. You can do them in multiple different niches: fitness, weight loss, dating, pets, self-improvement, make money online, cryptocurrency, technology, affiliate marketing, personal finance, and 250 plus niches instantly. Has a drag and drop editor, done for you templates, lightning fast speed, limitless hosting, so you don't have to worry about hosting your websites, which is very important. You will need, if you want to have your own domain name, of course you will need a domain name for that, but you can use their hosting here. With this, you can do it yourself. It says you can learn how to do all this, or you can do it, or you can hire freelancers, or you can use the software to do it. Now, they say step one, get the software, choose your niche, and then publish and profit. Of course, your profit is going to be based upon what your business is. So just don't think that just because you create a website, you're going to make money from it. Now, they say here that you can make money by selling these. They have proof of websites being sold on Flippa, making 6,500, 1,200. I can't verify that these websites were made using the software, but looks like this guy, one of the creators, has made money selling websites. So he was active 3 days ago, 11 transactions. He's made $8,000. That's pretty cool that he's made money selling websites. So a lot of people sell websites, so it's not like super far-fetched income proof there. Here's more proof here. Different examples of websites. I'm going to show you an actual example in this review as well. These are actual examples of websites you can create with this. You can sell them basic websites on Fiverr if you want to. So this is a make money opportunity for this if you want to create websites. And the fact that you have hosting included is a big plus for these people. You can say that they don't have to worry about hosting, which is a nice thing to add in to a Fiverr purchase. Some of the features, you can create limitless websites for any niche, set up high converting websites in under 30 seconds, done for you, templates, reliable hosting. So you can do, creates your mobile pages for you. All your websites are SEO optimized. You can create your own domain or host on their subdomain. So if you don't want to buy a domain name, you don't have to. It's up to you. Brand new Google approved website building technology, 100% protected and secured. Add pop-ups to your websites, measure your ROI, embed forms, scripts, and videos. All these extra things included inside of the software. Now I'm going to scroll down here. If you decide to purchase, you're going to get access to all of that for a very low one-time price. All these things added in. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick demo. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area, a real example website, and the OTOs.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short... self-improvement, make money online, cryptocurrency, technology, affiliate marketing, personal finance, and tons of top niches instantly. Here are some more amazing benefits of Webelo. Tap into huge, untapped $2.7 billion website building industry today. Create ultra-fast business websites for any offer in any niche in 3 clicks. Drag and drop editor for quick addition of glamorous elements. Choose from 100 plus DFY website templates to create premium websites. Create fully mobile responsive websites to drive endless smartphone traffic. Measure your ROI and other visitor statistics using Google Analytics integration from within your dashboard. Add pop-ups to prompt your visitors to instant action. Lightning speed loading with SSL encryption. Limitless hosting included at no extra cost, and much, much more. With this, you can stop paying huge sums of money to expensive freelancers and third parties and boost your profits hands down. So what are you waiting for? Webelo is available for just one-time price without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch of 7 days. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access for this one-time low price before it turns into monthly recurring. Good luck. We'll see you inside.
Okay, so we are back. So this is an actual real example website made with the software. So just a nice fast loading website. Of course, you can edit everything in here and make it look exactly how you want it to look. This is just an example site. Now this is the backend area that you'll have access to. We can go in here. You have all your different websites, all your different extra stuff in here. You can access all of these things right inside of one dashboard. Now there are multiple upgrades. The first one here is going to give you, it says you're going to create unlimited websites and domains, get unlimited hosting, and ultimately get faster and easier upgrading, blah, blah, blah. So it's going to remove all restrictions for your account here so that you can get the unlimited version. The next one here is you can get done for you e-com funnels, blogs, and squeeze pages with this one. So that's an optional upgrade as well. Done for you edition. It's going to give you done for you membership portals, course portals, and affiliate programs. The next one here is going to give you, you can start your own agency with this. You can start charging $500 to $1,000 per client with the agency package. So it's going to give you everything you need to start your own agency with this. If that's something you're thinking to yourself, I can actually go and provide this as a service. You can do that. There's a white label option. So you can actually rebrand it and sell it as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on this one. And the last one is a reseller license. You can just sell this. I believe you get access to sell the sales funnel with this, but you get reseller license with this. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the one that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Webelo and what don't I like about it? If I say something that I don't like about this, this is a one-time purchase, so just know that it's not going to be as updated as something like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, or those different softwares that you're paying either monthly for or yearly for. You're going to get what you pay for when you pay for a one-time product. What do I like about that? That all being said, this is a very low one-time price. If you don't want to pay monthly or yearly for these other softwares out there, you just want something that's going to make your web pages for you and host them, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Webelo, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with the YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.